Hi, Becca. Here we are walking in. There's the children's library. And here's a large print that Rick Ashley did with Denny Curtin that's hanging up in the library. And here's the wall going into the gallery. And you can see on the right side there's nothing, and on the left side is a wall. And here's the gal's three-dimensional stuff. I'll measure that wall, and then you walk into the gallery. She has a little wall here, and then there's around to the right. I'm going to put all Marblehead landscapes here. Birds, the far wall birds, more Marblehead birds. Over here, there's going to be Riverhead Beach. Over here is going to be Ipswich, Plum Island birds, Plum Island landscapes, and on this wall, and over here on this blank wall that's on the opposite side of this one is going to be Nahant Thickets and Ware's Pond with a large sandhill crane, and there might be a large print of what Rick Ashley just did below. Hope that helps you, and I'm going to take measurements, okay? Love you.